If you've ever found yourself wondering why people with ADHD are complete assholes for the first 2 hours after they wake up, you're in the right place. Listen, if you think I wake up cranky because I'm a bitch, then you're wrong. Well, I am kind of a bitch, but that's not why I wake up cranky in the morning. I wake up cranky because the electric meat inside of my skull is operating with the stress levels ready to fight a bear. But the part of my brain that's responsible for motivation is like, yeah, no, go fuck yourself. Because ADHD mornings aren't just, oh, I'm so tired. They're more like, my cortisol clocked in early, my dopamine is still asleep, and now I hate the sound of my fridge existing. So yeah, coffee helps a little bit, but it's not just coffee. You're basically trying to reboot a Windows 98 brain on dial-up. You need multiple plugs in the socket. So here's how to survive the boot up sequence. First things first, dopamine and cortisol talk to each other. So get outside or open a damn window and actually act like you're a living being who needs sunlight and fresh air. Secondly, I know your ADHD ass forgets that water exists, then you wonder why you're dizzy, homicidal, and your tummy hurts. Slam an entire glass of water and then gift yourself a cup of coffee as a reward. Next thing you need is protein and fat. I know it's devastating that breakfast cannot just be iced coffee and a couple hits of the Benjamin. You need something that stabilizes your blood sugar so that your dopamine doesn't free fall 30 minutes after you eat. So think sausage, eggs, or if the eggs are too eggy, do a jar of peanut butter and eat a couple scoops of that, put some in some oatmeal, leftover chicken nuggets in the fridge. I don't judge, whatever works for you. Another thing that can help is an auditory boot up cue. Pick one song that you only play in the morning. Eventually, your brain will learn that that's when we become a person. You could also do a temperature shock. Hot-cold contrast in the shower spikes norepinephrine. It's not very comfortable, but neither is existing before 10 a.m. Now, this next one is important, so hear me out. The 45-minute no talking rule. This one is non-negotiable, ladies and gentlemen. No questions, no requests, no emotional conversations. If you approach me before the 45-minute mark, you're taking your life into your own hands. If that means waking up an hour before everyone else in your house, then so be it. If that's not an option, try to get everyone on the same page that first 45 minutes after you wake up needs to be quiet time. Now, if none of this is going to quite cut it, I'm going to make a part 2 to this video with some unhinged methods to get the job done. See you tomorrow, bachacho.